my book of mammals. Do you know what mammals are? Mammals are warm-blooded animals. They have lots of hair, fur on their body. Female mammals can give birth and feed their babies. Did you know humans are mammals too? There are more than 5,400 species of mammals on Earth. Many mammals are at the risk of becoming extinct. This means they won't live on Earth for long. We must learn more about mammals so we can protect them. Mammals can be carnivores, herbivores, or omnivores. Carnivores are mammals that eat meat. This helps them become strong and healthy. Carnivores are strong, fast, and intelligent because they have to hunt to eat. They also have sharp teeth and claws for capturing their prey. Lions, bears, cheetahs, and wolves are some examples of carnivores. Herbivores are mammals that only eat plants. Herbivores have a set of sharp, blunt teeth. This helps them pull plants out of the ground and chew them. The most common types of herbivores are cows, camels, beavers, and donkeys. The largest herbivore on planet Earth is the African elephant. Omnivores are mammals that eat both meat and vegetables. Human beings are omnivores. We can enjoy both the steak and the vegetable salad. There are a high number of omnivores in the animal kingdom. The most common examples of omnivores are chipmunks, squirrels, and rats. What's special about omnivores is that they are flexible eaters. This makes it easier for them to survive. Together, we can protect all kinds of mammals. We can donate extra meat to shelters that house carnivores, so no food is wasted. We can plant more trees to create food supply for herbivores. A greater number of trees and growth in greenery will also help our environment. It is essential to protect all animals from cruelty and help them live healthy lives. In the end, it is also important to take care of ourselves as we are mammals too.